Yo, my rights of fame, ho. Back when I was a kid in Vita, I was just poor, you know.
Why are you wearing my sister?
Got a few albums with WJW.
My bad.
I never had anything growing up. Never had any money to search up.
Okay, no, start. Get it going.
Are you gonna eat the?
I'll do the intro.
Yo,
So today we're gonna be making the HowTo Cheese, but first we gotta let the pots boil with the water. And first, we need an appetizer.
growing up. Never had any money to search up.
Yeah, Brett. What the frick are you doing?
So you crack the egg on this, and then you put it in this, and then you drink the yolk. But first,
How do you crack an egg the traditional way?
well, in the caveman days, they would just bang it against their head. But we've learned in society that that is not always the best idea. That is what they call politically incorrect. Now we gotta stir it. Oh, you see, the yolk has spilt, but that is good. That means you are stirring it roughly, and they always love it roughly. Time to drink.
To the house.
It's pretty cold, but it's good fuel. Appetizer was bussin, and now we have no more eggs to put into the boil. Well, that is it. We will get back after the pot is done boiling. That's a wrap. You can stop recording.
Alright, so we hear some commotion downstairs. Nothing too bad, but the boil hasn't started yet, and I hear some loud noises.
Oh, hey guys, me and Will were just messing around, you know? We're just messing around. It's going all good. It's going good. You can just go back up.
My rights of fame, ho. Back when I was a kid in Vita,
So we had some confrontation, but we're all good now, and it's time to put the noodles and cheese in the boiling hot water.
I never had anything
Let's
growing up.
fix this.
Never
Yeah.
had any money to search up.
So it's all good.
Brett, there's a sauce thing in there.
Oh, there is?
You didn't see it.
It's all good. You know, we're just cooking.
Wait, you got fucking noodles all over my floor.
This is how the chef works. So we're gonna be stirring the noodles up. The Velveeta. Oh yeah. This is where it gets good. Oh yeah. This is getting good. You see, this is some good cooking. You see, you gotta stir it firmly, but softly. It's a good balance that you gotta have while you're stirring it. You know, you gotta have a good balance of firmness and softness. Enough firmness to keep it going, but enough softness to just have it.
What?
That is the way I've been taught.
Brett 2020.
And it has paid off for me, because as you know, I am a world-renowned chef. You know, I trained Gordon Ramsay, and I taught him the same principles.
What the frick is he talking about?
You see, back in the day, I was a chef for Michael Jordan.
What?
I think we're done stirring.
No, Brett, you're not censoring.
That's a wrap. We have no space in the thing.
Do it outside.
Okay,
Get a wa-
take the strainer, Luke.
What are you doing, Brett?
I gotta switch hands.
What?
Luke, bring the strainer. Bring the strainer.
No, Brett, out there.
Oh, yeah, no. Take the strainer out here.
No, Brett, that's not how you do it. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Give me that.
No, I got it.
You're an idiot.
I got it. Let me hold the strainer. You know you're not pouring any hot water into my hand.
You want to go flashlight?
I'll get my flashlight.
Oh. You pour it in.
Don't video this.
Just pour it in.
No video this part.
Brett, you're gonna drop the
This
news.
is fucked. Just put it on the ground. Just put it on the ground.
Why would you put it on the ground?
Brett, hold the fucking.
Oh, you're gonna hit my hand.
We're going back in.
Oh, Luke, just put it on the grass and then we'll pour it on the thing and the water can rinse into the grass.
Brett's it done.
You see? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The good stuff. Oh. Sometimes, don't you just want to swallow this up?
What is that?
Now it's time to put this in the bowl and eat it.
Don't you need to put the cheese in?
Yes, we will do it when it's in the bowl.
What are you doing?
My bad.
Jesus Christ.
Wipe it up, Luke.
Brett, you made it a mess. Now wipe it up with a paper towel.
Yo. The chef don't clean.
The chef should. Alright, Brett.
The chef makes delicacies. Delicacies. Where's the cheese at? It's time to put the cheese in and cook it.
That's the official way to open the cheese.
Yes.
Dang.
Oh yeah. All this cheese. Doesn't it just want to make you cheese? Done. And we must stir it up now.
Bad Brett.
If I can find the stir thing. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is where it gets good and cheesy. Doesn't this want to make you go yum yum?
Yum yum.
It's time to eat it.
Really? What about the salt and pepper?
Oh yeah, we should probably put salt and pepper in it.
Not too much. What about some of this?
No.
No, stop. Or a
Eat
spoon.
it straight to the bottom.
I think this should be the first episode where we all try it and see if it's good or not.
No, only I tried it. Time to eat.
Is it good? Kind son? First suspect. ASMR now. This one ASMR.
I'm gonna get it really close.
ASMR. Are you gonna finish this?
I think I'll let my friends try it.
Luke, you try some. No?
This were a cock. This would be an 8-inch cock. The best.
What? You got some on the top of his head. Look it up his head.
Like this. Usually, I would have some pickle juice to wash this down, but today it's just gonna be water. Taylor just tried to fuck him.
Luke, are you? No, you should not be using the.
This shit is trash. This sucks.
No, that should be like the bloopers.
Bro, you gonna finish this shit?
What's good, yo? What's good, ho? It's Miracle Drip for you, yo. I'm back with another song, you know.